Cheer. Twisted off the liquor, nigga take a picture. Two bad bitches, call them soul sisters. Presidential suite with a whole bunch of swishers. You love her and you miss her, I fuck her and I diss her. That's your main chick, but with me she on the bench. And she fighting for a spot like football in the trenches. When D3 is going in, nigga need to listen in. Bitch think she Barbie, she could die right next to King. Both so raw that a nigga need to open him. Weed everywhere, red and orange like a roster man. Swag so dope that a female wanna sniff him. He's better than you ever was, and better than you ever been.
Swag to the right, then we swag to the left. We swag to the sky, cause I swag through the fly. We got that, we got that. Swag like, swag like, swag like. Like Venus, heart cold like Pluto. A nigga cross me, they'll be like, where's Waldo? Man, hell if I know, but one thing that I do know, it'll be hard to catch me. Like I'm Carmen San Diego, I'm numero uno. All of y'all below me, I see bitches everywhere like the air. They wanna blow me, they say I make it look easy, so I spread them like diseases disappear. You can see me now, I'm back, I'm Houdini, and I keep my middle finger up to let these haters know what's up. I'm out to get that money, give me green, yeah, I'm hawking up. Asking why I'm gearing up and smashing through your areas. Just a Looney Tune like Taz, I had to tear it up. We swag to the right, then we swag to the left. We swag to the sky, cause I swag through the fly. We got that, we got that. Swag like, swag like, swag like.
Raw niggas for packs, dough and ice like come up off it. I end up there laid out in the coffin. It happens often. I ain't playing, y'all know my name ring. I gets it poppin'. My niggas is mobbing, I'm even recruiting. Scheming infrared beaming, people ducking and running. I thought I told y'all it's headhunting season. Give me a reason, you leave you leaking. I eat your food faster than a piece of chicken. I'm on a mission, I ain't talking about the game either. I got some shit that'll blow you out your two-seater. Fuck around, get fouled in a deep freezer. Leave a hole in your chest the size of a system speaker.
We got that, we got that. Swag like